longest common prefix, we have to return the common prefix within the array of a string. If we are not able to find any, then we have to return an empty string. Here, as you can see, the common prefix between them is FL. If you see FL is available in all the three strings, then we have FLO is available here, FLO is available here, but not here. So this means the common prefix is FL. In the same way, we are not able to find any start with D, and no other string is starting with D. And besides this, note that string array consists of only lower English characters. Now let's try to resolve this problem. So what we can do for this, we can take a prefix initially as a starting array value, and then we can iterate over this array. So let's start a pseudocode. Let's for loop start with I plus 1, means start with 1, and then we have to compare character by character. Like here, FL should be F should be matched with the prefix starting value. In the same way, in the next iteration, we have to compare and match L is equals to L or not. In the third, we match, like here you can see FLO is available here, right? So the common prefix after the next iteration would be changed to flow, right? And then in the next iteration, our loop will be changed to 2. Now we have to compare this with this in the same way. Like you can see here, we have FL available here, in the same way FL available here but not O. So so our prefix is going to be changed in the next iteration to FL, and we came out of this loop. So this is the common prefix that would be written. Okay, now let's write a pseudocode first. So here, after the for loop, we have to compare character by character. So for this, we can uh, take a j variable, and in the while loop, we check our strings array I comma j value. So it would return as the uh, initial value. Like in the initial iteration, this would be 1 and j would be 0. So it's pointing to F, while array j is equals to needs to be matched with the prefix uh, array I. Prefix is equals to this. Okay, f should be matched with the prefix starting value, prefix jth value. And if it's a valid case, then we have to simply increment the j plus plus. So f is matching, L is matching, O is matching, W is matching. Now E is not matching, so we came out of this loop. And besides this, we have to add another check as well, like prefix j should be less than prefix dot length as well. And when we came out of this, we can use slice or substring kind of method to update our prefix value. So we can simply do string dot substring method, which is available in JS to J. And after the for loop ends, we can simply return from here. We can simply return here prefix value. Now let's try to here the time and space complexity. As you can see, there is a for loop, and inside it we are iterating through each character. So it would be n by m, which can be round off to simply n. in the space complexity is simple of 1. We are not taking any extra space here. So now let's try to write code for this. We need a for loop I equals to 0 to fix equals to strings array 0 element it would point to flower, then I less than I should be start with 1, I less than strs dot length I plus plus increment the counter, and then inside it we have to take another j variable that is going to check j should be less than prefix uh, dot length, and beside this it should match strings ij value must be equals to prefix character. If it's valid, then simply increment it, and when we came out of this loop we have to return string prefix should be equals to prefix dot substring from 0 dot till j, and then we can return from here prefix, believe it should be j plus 1. Okay, let's see, here prefix equals to let j equals to 0. Oh sorry, I comma ing. Here you can see. Now let's try to submit it. Okay, all working.